Hi, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you check out my BoxyCharm for October and my Ipsy Ultimate review and the Ipsy Glambo Plus. But today we are here with the Yes Oh Yes for October. And I mean, I haven't done one of these videos in a while, but I have kept my subscription to them. So yeah, it's just, I figured it was already old news by then. So yeah. Now one item I have misplaced for some reason. I just need to quit opening up my bags and checking to see if the pallets are actually broken, because it seems like I always lose something. So I'll put a picture here. What's missing? So, first thing in the bag, which I do like these, and for some reason it's stuck to the bag. It's, I never tried this brand of them, but they are pretty good. It's a Masquerade. They're spotted. They are 1.5. I can never pronounce that word. Salicylic acid treatments, and it's supposed to help with acne. So that's really good. I like that. To say bye-bye to blemishes. And you get 2 1-sheet clear patches, because they do sell these at Walmart, but they don't really have medicine to them, so these might actually work a little bit better. Now this ain't full size, now I will have to admit. So it's anti-aging transforming daily moisturizer with great fruit stem cell extracts, alp rose stem cell extract, and whatever those words are. So yeah, that's pretty good. One last thing in the bag. It's this here, and it's Sorme. Now I could be pronouncing that wrong. I know I opened this. I'm trying to film everything one-handed. And this is the shade I got, which is really pretty. Has a slight scent, but it's not like very overpowering, and it's in the shade Cherish. Huh. I'm trying to get my new setup. So now the one thing that I really liked was all of this is really good stuff, but it was the previous item that I left a picture of. But in this, it's a Glam Light palette. I always want to try one. It's the Miracle palette, and it's 18 Luxury Shadows. And here's the shade names, because I was so hoping. I'm getting this box. Let me put you down just for a second so I can open it up. This screams Solar Moon to me. And I know why they did it, because I think ain't October like Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and you know, pink and all that. Yeah, because it has that the ribbon, the pink ribbon. Boy, I'm like, ooh, I feel bright today. But why I said Solar Moon is because a Miracle paint, you know, so has a standard mirror, and I mean, gorgeous shades. I ain't going to swatch them right now because I feel a little bit under the weather, kind of drained. My husband came in for a little bit. So yeah. So yeah, pretty good bag for it's like $14 or $15. You have to pay for shipping, so about around 20 bucks. And I'll have a link down below if you want to sign up. But I think they are getting way pretty good for, you know, I call it like an indie bag. So yeah, make sure you check out my BoxyCharm and all my Ipsies, and make sure you check out my husband's channel, Here Comes Tom, because we're gonna have some loot crates in My Little Pony box if they ever to ship it. And yeah, and make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit that little bell so that we can you can get all my notifications for my videos. And hopefully, maybe, just maybe, I can have my setup. Because I'm going to like switch locations. So, yeah. So, thank you guys for watching. And, yeah. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.